Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, neophyte. Spelling, neophyte. Meaning, a person who is new to a particular field, subject, or activity and lacks experience or knowledge in it. Synonyms, novice, beginner, apprentice. Antonyms, expert, veteran, professional. Usage. The neophyte programmer struggled to understand the complex coding concepts. As a neophyte in the art world, she was eager to learn from the experienced artists. Word, noisome. Spelling, noisome. Meaning, bad smelling, offensive to the sense of smell. Synonyms, foul, stinky, putrid. Antonyms, fragrant, pleasant, sweet. Usage. The noisome odor from the dumpster was unbearable. The noisome fumes from the factory posed a health risk to the nearby residents. Word, nominal. Spelling, nominal. Meaning, existing in name only, without real substance or value, relatively small or token in value or amount. Synonyms, token, symbolic, minimal. Antonyms, substantial, significant, real. Usage. The company offered a nominal fee for the service, which was essentially free. The nominal head of the organization had no real power or influence. Word, nonchalant. Spelling, nonchalant. Meaning, showing a lack of interest or concern, casual and relaxed, often to the point of being indifferent or unresponsive. Synonyms, indifferent, casual, relaxed. Antonyms, concerned, interested, enthusiastic. Usage. He walked into the room with a nonchalant attitude, as if nothing was wrong. Her nonchalant demeanor hid her true feelings of anxiety and worry. Word, notorious. Spelling, notorious. Meaning, famous for something bad, well known for undesirable or disreputable qualities. Synonyms, infamous, disreputable. Antonyms, respected, reputable, admired. Usage. The notorious criminal was finally caught by the police. The company was notorious for its poor customer service and low-quality products. Word, novice. Spelling, novice. Meaning, a person who is new to a particular activity or profession. Synonyms, beginner, apprentice, trainee. Antonyms, expert, professional, veteran. Usage. She was a novice at playing the piano but practiced every day. The novice programmer struggled to debug his code. Word, nuance. Spelling, nuance. Meaning, a subtle difference or shade of meaning. Synonyms, subtlety, shade, gradation. Antonyms, bluntness, crudeness, coarseness. Usage. The nuance of her tone was lost in the translation. He appreciated the nuance of the complex philosophical argument. Word, oblique. Spelling, oblique. Meaning, slanting or sloping, not straight or direct. Synonyms, slanting, sloping, sideways. Antonyms, straight, direct, perpendicular. Usage. The oblique angle of the roof made it difficult to climb. Her oblique comment hinted at a deeper issue. Word, oblivious. Spelling, oblivious. Meaning, unaware or unconscious of something. Synonyms, unaware, unconscious, ignorant. Antonyms, aware, conscious, attentive. Usage. She was oblivious to the danger lurking behind her. He was oblivious to the impact of his words on others. Word, obscure. Spelling, obscure. Meaning, difficult to understand, not clear or distinct. Synonyms, ambiguous, arcane, complicated. Antonyms, clear, distinct, transparent. Usage. The obscure language of the poem made it hard to interpret. The obscure reference was lost on most of the audience. Word, obsequious. Spelling, obsequious. Meaning, excessively eager to please or obedient. Synonyms, servile, submissive, deferential. Antonyms, independent, assertive, defiant. Usage. The obsequious employee always agreed with the boss's decisions. Her obsequious behavior made it clear she was seeking favor. Word, obsolete. Spelling, obsolete. Meaning, no longer in use or useful because something newer or better has been developed. Synonyms: outdated, antiquated, archaic. Antonyms: modern, current, up-to-date. Usage: the company phased out the obsolete technology to make way for new innovations. The old law became obsolete after the new legislation was passed. Word: obstinate. Spelling: obstinate. Meaning: refusing to change one's opinion or attitude despite attempts to persuade. Synonyms: stubborn, unyielding, intractable. Antonyms: flexible, cooperative, compliant. Usage: the obstinate child refused to eat the vegetables despite the parents' efforts. His obstinate refusal to compromise led to the breakdown of negotiations. Word: obstreperous. Spelling: obstreperous. Meaning: noisy and difficult to control, unruly and boisterous. Synonyms: unruly, disorderly, wild. Antonyms: obedient, calm, controlled. Usage: the obstreperous children were hard to manage in the classroom. The crowd became obstreperous when the concert was delayed. Word: obtuse. Spelling: obtuse. Meaning: lacking quickness of perception or intellect, not sharp or pointed. Synonyms: dull, stupid, dense. Antonyms: sharp, intelligent, perceptive. Usage: the obtuse angle was greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. His obtuse remark showed a lack of understanding of the situation. Word: odious. Spelling: odious. Meaning: hateful or detestable. Synonyms: abhorrent, detestable, hateful. Antonyms: pleasant, likable, agreeable. Usage: the odious smell from the dumpster was unbearable. His odious behavior towards his colleagues led to his termination. Word: officious. Spelling: officious. Meaning: offering unnecessary and unwanted advice or services, meddlesome. Synonyms: interfering, meddling, intrusive. Antonyms: retiring, reserved, unobtrusive. Usage: the officious neighbor kept offering unsolicited advice on how to garden. Her officious nature made it difficult for her to keep friends. Word: ominous. Spelling: ominous. Meaning: threatening or foreshadowing evil or tragic developments. Synonyms: menacing, threatening, foreboding. Antonyms: reassuring, promising, auspicious. Usage: the ominous cloud suggested a severe storm was approaching. The ominous silence in the room was unsettling. Word: opulent. Spelling: opulent. Meaning: characterized by or exhibiting great wealth or luxury. Synonyms: sumptuous, luxurious, lavish. Antonyms: poor, squalid, modest. Usage: the opulent mansion was a testament to the family's wealth. The opulent decorations at the wedding reception were breathtaking. Word: orthodox. Spelling: orthodox. Meaning: conforming to the traditional or established faith, doctrine, or custom. Synonyms: traditional, conventional, conservative. Antonyms: unconventional, unorthodox, radical. Usage: the Orthodox Church maintained its traditional practices. His orthodox views on politics were challenged by the progressive candidate. Word: ostentatious. Spelling: ostentatious. Meaning: characterized by being overly decorated, excessive, or grandiose, and is meant to demonstrate wealth, status, or power. Synonyms: pretentious, brash, conspicuous. Antonyms: simple, conservative, reserved. Usage: the ostentatious party was a show of the host's status. She is not impressed by his ostentatious displays of wealth. Word: pacific. Spelling: pacific. Meaning: not provided in the search results. However, it generally means peaceful or calm. Synonyms: peaceful, calm, serene. Antonyms: aggressive, hostile, violent. Usage: the Pacific Island was a haven for those seeking relaxation. The pacific nature of the negotiations led to a successful agreement. Word: palatable. Spelling: palatable. Meaning: pleasant to the taste or acceptable to the mind or feelings. Synonyms: delicious, tasty, luscious. Antonyms: distasteful, unpleasant, unappetizing. Usage: the palatable dish was enjoyed by everyone at the dinner party. The idea was palatable to the investors, who agreed to fund the project. Word: paragon. Spelling: P-A-R-A-G-O-N. Meaning: a model or pattern of special excellence or perfection, a person of supreme merit or excellence. Synonyms: model, pattern, exemplar. Antonyms: imperfection, flaw, defect. Usage: she was considered a paragon of virtue in her community. The new smartphone was hailed as a paragon of technological innovation. Word: pathos. Spelling: P-A-T-H-O-S. Meaning: not provided in the search results. However, it generally refers to a quality that evokes feelings of pity, sadness, or sympathy. Synonyms: pity, sympathy, sorrow. Antonyms: indifference, apathy, insensitivity. Usage: the pathos in the story moved the audience to tears. The politician's speech lacked pathos, failing to connect with the voters. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.